Hey, what's up guys? So this is the Eufy 25C, and if you do have the app, it will tell you exactly what's wrong with it, where it's stuck, how is it stuck. So basically they have 3 drop sensor in the bottom, so if you're wondering where are the drop sensor, this is that video. So your drop sensor are basically, flip it over, there's 3. 1, 2, and 3. Those are your 3 drop sensor. I recommend getting a paper towel with some Windex and wipe the sensors, because that's gonna make sure it doesn't fall down the steps or anything. So if you're just wondering where are the sensors, those are it.